Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best push drain stopper is probably one of the most underrated bathroom accessories, but trust me, it can make a huge difference in your daily routine. Today, we're diving deep into the world of push drain stoppers, exploring what makes them a smart choice, and helping you find the perfect one for your tub. Get ready to say goodbye to leaks and hello to a more enjoyable bathing experience. Number 5. TubShroom Ultra Stainless Steel Drain Protector. This is the TubShroom Ultra, a revolutionary drain protector. It comes with multiple adapters to fit various drain sizes. This ensures a perfect fit for your bathtub. Unlike traditional drain plugs, this one goes inside the drain. It efficiently collects hair and debris. Cleaning is easy, simply wipe it off. This drain strainer is designed to catch every hair. It fits any standard tub drain and prevents clogs. It effectively catches human and pet hair without slowing down the water flow. Avoid expensive plumbing bills with this product. It eliminates the need for harsh chemicals and drain snakes. This is a simple solution that's better for your pipes and the environment. The TubShroom has won the 2018 KBB Product Innovator Award. Over 3 million drains are protected by its patented design. Get yours today. What we like? This innovative design fits inside your drain, catching hair before it clogs your pipes. It's incredibly easy to clean, just wipe it off. If you're tired of dealing with clogs and messy drain cleaners, you should consider this. What people say. This drain protector catches hair very well and prevents clogs. It is easy to clean, durable, and very practical. Since I started using it, the water flows without any issues. The TubShroom Ultra is built to last. The silicone material feels incredibly sturdy, and even after a few months of use, there's no sign of wear and tear. I've used other drain catchers in the past, but they've cracked or worn out quickly. The TubShroom is holding up wonderfully with no issues. It fits perfectly in the drain and catches all the hair without any hassle. I love how easy it is to clean, too. Just pull it out, rinse, and put it back in. No more clogging up the drain or dealing with hair buildup. The design ensures water flows freely, so there's no fear of any drainage issues. Number 4. StopShroom STBLU 232 Universal Stopper Plug, Aqua. Introducing the StopShroom, a universal drain stopper. This innovative product is designed to work with almost any drain type, making it incredibly versatile. Whether it's your bathtub, bathroom sink, or kitchen drain, this stopper has you covered. It's the perfect solution for when you want to take a relaxing bath or fill up the sink. The StopShroom is fully compatible with TubShroom and SinkShroom drain protectors. It easily fits on top of each, enhancing its functionality. It also works great on its own. Available in Aqua Blue, this stopper is designed to match your bathroom decor. Its dimensions are 6 by 5 by 2, compatible with drain openings 4 or smaller. It includes a built-in suction cup to keep it in place during use. No more stoppers floating away. This feature ensures it stays where it should, providing a reliable seal. What we like? This universal stopper works with almost any drain type, adding a touch of style to your bathroom. It's also designed with a suction cup to stay in place. If you are looking for a simple and stylish solution to stop your drain, you should consider this. What people say. It creates a tight seal every time, whether I'm filling the kitchen sink or the bathtub. It's made of soft, flexible material so it fits snugly in different drain sizes without any hassle. It works nicely, and keeps the drain sealed to fill the tub. Number 3. Artiwell Universal Tip-Toe Bath Drain Stopper. This new design makes installation and removal a breeze. You can easily clear away hair and any other messes. It's designed for your convenience. This stopper fits 99% of lift and turn, tip-toe, and trip-lever bathtub drains. It includes 2 O-rings to fit your 1 to 3/8 inch or 1 to 1/2 tub drains. It's a versatile solution for your bathroom. You can install this without removing the old drain. No professional tools or plumber assistance is needed. This saves you time and money. It completely covers your existing drain without sacrificing style. It comes in various colors to match your existing fixtures. It's a simple way to refresh your bathroom. Made with high-quality solid brass and a tarnish-free finish, it provides strength and reliable use. This ensures it will last for a long time. You can count on its durability. What we like. This stopper is designed for easy installation without the need for tools or professional help. It's compatible with most existing tub drains. If you like a hassle-free upgrade that complements your bathroom decor, you should consider this. What people say. Looks very good as it covers the old flange and holds water. It gets left in the drain to cover, which in old tubs is an upgrade in looks. Then it's easy to operate, just popping it up or down. It looks great as it covers up the old drain and functions well. Number 2. Toe Touch Brushed Nickel Bathtub Drain Stopper. Introducing a convenient way to manage your bathtub drain. This foot-operated stopper makes it easy to fill and drain your tub without bending over. This innovative design allows you to control the drain with your foot. It's simple, hygienic, and incredibly user-friendly. The included fitting adapters ensure that it fits most bathtub drains. You won't have to worry about compatibility issues. It comes with both 3/8 and 5/16 thread fittings. This ensures a secure and leak-free fit for your drain. Available in multiple finishes to match your bathroom decor. Choose from CH, BN, PB, AB, or ORB to complement your style. What we like. This foot-operated drain stopper offers convenience and ease of use. It comes with fitting adapters for different drain sizes. If you have mobility issues or simply prefer a hands-free experience, you should consider this. What people say. Water definitely stops and drains fast. Easy to install and came with extra drainage. Easy install. Looks good, multiple screws for different size fittings. Number 1. DANCO Brushed Nickel Touch Toe Bath Drain Trim Kit. This tub drain kit is designed to fit 1 to 1/2 inch and 1 to 7/8 inch tub drain shoe sizes. It can be used for bathtubs with or without an overflow. This makes it a versatile choice for many bathrooms. The overflow plate replaces both 1-hole or 2-hole overflow plates. It includes an adapter bar to convert from 2-hole to 1-hole installations. This feature simplifies the installation process. The tub shoe diameter is 1 to 1/2 inches with 16 threads per inch. The tub shoe bushing adapter diameter is 1 to 7/8 inches with 11.5 threads per inch. These dimensions ensure a proper fit. The touch toe style tub drain stopper is foot actuated for easy use. Simply push it to close the drain and push again to open. It's a convenient and user-friendly design. The kit includes an overflow plate and adapter, tub drain shoe trim, threaded bushing, touch toe stopper, and screws. You'll need a screwdriver, pliers, and plumber's putty. This makes the installation a hassle-free DIY project. Built to last, this product features brass construction for strength and durability. It's designed to withstand the rigors of everyday use. This ensures long-lasting performance. The modern brushed nickel finish will update your existing bathtub trim. It will also complement your bathroom decor. This adds a touch of elegance to your bathroom. What we like. This touch toe drain kit is easy to install and built to last with its brass construction. It also includes an overflow plate. If you are looking for a durable and easy-to-use drain stopper, you should consider this. What people say. A click tub button to stop the water drainage, and click to unplug. Drains great. Our contractor installed with no problem, and it looks nice in the tub along with the new handles and spout, nickel. These are the exact same ones always purchased at the big box retailer, same brand, model hashtag, etc. But here on Amazon they're 27% cheaper. Other than the price, what I like about these is they come with a single hole overflow plate. The good thing about the single hole is that they can be used on single and dual threaded overflows. There's an included adapter plate to use it on the dual threaded overflow pipes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.